Why did I choose to return back to SSA? Simply because I really appreciate how they value their motto, Sapientia et Virtue, or rather their tenets. Because this helps me really grow as a person that despite having this wisdom in your daily life, you need virtues to live in your life as a person. In Tagalog, it's easy, or in Tagalog, madaling maging tao kaysa magpakatao. That's why the beauty of Sapientia and Virtus really struck me the most. That's why I returned here at the School of St. Anthony. The way they value their motto, their tenet, the Sapientia and Virtus.